balita, Pangulong Aquino pinasinayaan ang Cory Aquino Democratic Space sa De La Salle University sa lungsod ng Maynila. Alamin natin ang detalye sa ulat ni Elena Luna, live mula sa Malacanang. Magandang hapon sa iyo, Elena, at Happy Valentine's Day.
Happy Valentine's Day. Habiba, ipinangalan ng De La Salle University kay dating Pangulong Corazon Aquino ang isang lugar sa kanilang campus sa Maynila. Dumalo sa inaugurasyon nito si Pangulong Aquino. Sa muling pagbisita ni Pangulong Aquino sa University Manila, binalikan ng Pangulo ang naging papel ng La Salle community sa kasaysayan ng politika ng bansa. Binahagi rin niya ang naitulong ng La Salle community sa ipinaglaban ng kanyang pamilya.
You know, I am not from here. I guess that's obvious. But in many ways, I share the same values that you are taught in this school. La Salle has always made a point to stand for truth and accountability. With my mother during our struggle against the dictatorship, or during the decades after we claimed democracy through people power. Despite being from the other school, I also have a special fondness for this school. I will never forget that when my mother passed away, during the waning years of the Arroyo administration, it was the La Salle brothers who opened up their school for people to say their final goodbyes to my mother. Throughout your history, you have provided both sanctuary and support to those who dared challenge the oppressive status quo.
Bumalik ng DLSU Manila ang Pangulo para sa inaugurasyon ng Cory Aquino Democratic Space na matatagpuan sa Henry C. Senior Hall ng Universidad.
My mother during her life seldom took pleasure from praise, but this patch of green and the ideals it stands for would have made her undoubtedly proud. As my mother's memory always reminds me, so too will this space remind your community of the importance of discourse and consensus building. More importantly, it provides a venue in which Lasallians can continue to practice the right to stand up for what they believe to be right. Going back to the question famously posed by one brother, how can we tell our students not to cheat in exams when our leaders cheat and still without our voices raising in protest? The answer is, obviously, we can't. This democratic space embodies the righteousness and the bravery of those who have come before. And it will continue to become a source of courage for all your students, your teachers, your administrators, your donors, and anyone who sets foot in it.
Ayon sa Pangulo, lumalakas ang panawagan sa mga taga-Lasal na magsilbi sa bayan. Hindi na lumayo ang Pangulo na halimbawa nito ang mga miyembro ng kanyang official family.
Look at my cabinet. Many of them took the first steps to a meaningful career in these halls. They made friends here. Their characters were forged here. Their aspirations were first sketched here. I'm talking about the Lasallians who have helped lift our country out of the gutter this past 2.5 years, starting with Finance Secretary Cesar Purisima, Justice Secretary Laila De Lima, Presidential Spokesperson Edwin Lacerda, Public Works and Highway Secretary Babe Singson, Agrarian Reform Secretary Hilda Los Reyes, the late Secretary of the Interior and Local Government Jesse Robredo, and of course, the man revered by nearly everyone in this campus, Education Secretary Brother Armen Luisno.
Kasabay nito, hinamon ni Pangulong Aquino ang estudyante ng Lasal na ipagpatuloy ang tradisyong ito.
As President, I am counting on you to continue the good work in the coming decades. This is not just about finding your personal success, but also about contributing to your community and to your country. In the same way that the former students, the teachers, the administrators, and the donors whose names decorate the history of La Salle have given part of their lives to the community, you have an obligation to fulfill your potential and continue the great Lasallian tradition of helping build this country. You have the natural talent, a combination of intellect, creativity, and compassion. And your school is doing everything it can to nurture that talent. And it is my hope that you can grow to surpass even those who have come before you.
Ngayong Valentine's Day, Habiba, wala si Pangulong Aquino dito sa palasyo. Maghapon siyang nasa lalawigan ng Laguna. 10 a.m. kanina ay nagpunta si Pangulong Aquino sa International Rice Research Institute o IRI sa Los Baños, Laguna. Alas 2 naman ng hapon ay Pangulong Aquino sa San Pablo Central Elementary School sa San Pablo, Laguna para sa meeting kasama ang mga taga-Laguna at mga local leaders doon. At yan ang ating balita mula dito sa Malacanang sa tulong ng RTVM. Ako si Elena Luna para sa telebisyon ng